Now you see there is 28 hosts per subnet, right? So 28 hosts. Do we get 28 hosts? Of course, yes. The first IP address is 1. The last IP address is 30. So you get two addresses more than what you want. That is good.
Yes.
That is good.
Yes.
You know, for future expansion, you may add another two device without any doing subnetting. Wonderful.
That's right.
So first 4. Okay. Good. Last 4. 224 we don't use, so 223 is the last one. Wonderful. Nice. So the new subnet mask will be, you have not written that. It will be 20.
Oh, the subnet mask. Okay, 255.255.
27.
Yeah. Yes.
Slash
Sorry.
27. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Or 255.255.224.
That's right.
Well done, well done. 100 hosts. Yeah, this is a tricky one, as you said. So the zeroth subnet, I appreciate. So you got 126 IP address. So 26 IP address extra. That's okay. For our expansion, you can use it. And now increment of 128. Agreed. And then this is nice. Exactly what you have written is what I want to see. Perfect. Perfect.
So where I got confused was
Wait, hold on, please. You really got confused. Even now, it is confused.
yeah.
It's not correct, but you have done very well up to here. After this,
Okay.
only the problem started. So I'm going to do this problem, okay? I'm going to do this. You can compare this later. So 172.16. Let me do it. Homework. Don't save. All right. Yeah, this is the homework I gave you. The first one was good. Now this one. 172.16. You got 16 bits. You got 16 bits. Now in this 16 bit, I need these many bits for host. That is right.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
right. Perfectly done. Now the new subnet mask is /25, which is equal to 255. 255.
.255.128.
Exactly. Now you need to increment by 128 because from here we are giving for networking. And so 172.16.0.0, 172.16.0.128. So 128 increments here. So when I add 128 to this, it is 256. 256 will come here. So 0. Again, if I add 128 to this, listen, when you add 128 to this, it will be 1.128. And then when you add 128 to this, it will become 2.0.
Yes.
So you need to correct this place. This place, you have done mistake. Compare it. Compare with your answer.
Yes, that's right.
So you may be surprised to see a network, 128 network. Yeah, yes, this is perfectly right. And the first IP not beginning with 1. Yes, it is okay. This is how it works. So don't get surprised to see these things. This is how it works. You know, when you are having /28, this is how it works.
Okay.
So you got the first IPs, and then the broadcast is going to be
Just one less than the
172 dot
network.
exactly 168.0.127.
127.
Here 0.255.
Dot 20.
And then here 1.127, and here 1.255. So it's 172.16.1.255. So first four, you know how to write, and you know what will be the last IP address. I'm not writing it.
Last 172.16.255.255.
Oh, you want to go to the last network? I'm talking about the
Oh,
last IP.
this is the broadcast one.
126. 0.254. 1.126. 1.254. Goes like that. Okay. So you know how to fill these things. Now let me go down. The unused one is 172.16.255.128. We don't use this. So I need to decrement by 128. So this is going to be the last 172.16.255.0.
Yeah.
And then the second last will be 172.16.254.128.
128.
172.16.254.0. 172.16.253.128 goes like that, and you know how to fill the broadcast address and the last address. Okay, this is your homework. Now let's move on to the next part of subnetting. You see, we have done subnetting initially based on the number of departments or number of networks needed. And secondly, we did based on the number of hosts.
Yes.
Now, there's another way the subnetting need to be done is you're provided with the number of bits for networking. Simple. They have told you that in this 110.0.0.0 for the network, or let's take like this. Wait, hold on. Before going to this one, I'd like to give you another exercise so that in case if someone challenges you like this, you can manage. Whatever we learn, it should be complete. See, in production, this may not be relevant, but I have seen people asking this type of question. 7,000 hosts. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
All right. So sometimes they ask like this in some universities in Ireland, and I have seen, you know, they ask this type of question in some universities. See, in India, we don't have this type of curriculum, but in all other countries, I've seen this. They have the CCNP syllabus in the first year of the college. CCNA, CCNP, somehow they managed to cover in their undergraduate UG.
Okay.
So that's a very nice thing, they are doing. I've seen Afghanistan, Kabul, like 11 years before I was there. Kabul University was doing this. And like 8 years before with one of the university in Ireland, I saw this. So let's see how to do subnetting. If I have 7,000 hosts, I'll do for 7,000 hosts, and I'll give you this as an assignment. Okay, 2,000
Okay.
you will do. 7,000 I'm
Okay.
doing. Ready?
Okay.
Let's see. 10,000. The default mask is /8. Now
Yes.
10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, this division, this segregation, the 32-bit, breaking down the 32-bit into 4 octet is only for
Yes, sir.
our easy
Convenience.
Very well said. For our convenience. So the number of bits we all know it is 32. It is not 8.8.8 bits.
Yes.
IP address is 32 bit. So if this is 2 to the power of 0, and if this is 2 to the power of 7, this should be 2 to the power of 8.
8.
2 to the power of 9, 2 to the power of 10 goes like this. Now, this is 128, and this is 256. Just doubles.
Yeah.
When this
Yeah.
64 becomes 128, then 128 will become 256.
Yes.
That's what 2 to the power of 8 is. And
Yeah.
2 to the power of 9 is going to be 512.
Yeah.
Now, if you ask me what will be the sum of all this, then I'll see the next one. Next one is 1024. Then the sum of all this will be 1023.
Yeah. Just one less.
Yes. So we have learned these tricks in the previous classes. So this is going to be 1024. This is going to be 2048. This is going to be 4196.
Yeah.
Is that true? 4096. 4096 to the power of 11 to the power of 12. And the next one is going to be 8,000.
8192.
8192. How many I want? I want 7,000. I want 7,000. No. I need these many bits for, 2 to the power of 0 to the power of 12. To have 7,000 hosts, I need this many bits. So I'm going to give from here for subnetting. So the new subnet mask will be /19, which will be equal to 255.255.224.0. Yeah, now you know how to do subnetting. So you need to increment in the 3rd octet, not in the 4th octet or in the 2nd octet. You are giving from here in the 3rd octet, isn't it? So, do you follow me?
Yes.
10.0.0.0, 10.0. Listen, I need to increment here. 32.0, 10.0.64.0, 10.0.96.0, and you know what to do next. Okay, so whether it is 7,000 or 2,000, we don't fear, because we know how it works, how the logic works. Will you be able to do this 2000 now?
Yes, sir.
All right, give it a try. I'll wait. You see, when you do subnetting, if we do not know how many numbers of IP address we need, then you may calculate the number of networks that you may need. But when you are very clearly given with some informations like you got 100 PCs, and through a switch, those 100 PCs are connected to a router, and that router is connected to another 30 PC via a switch, and that router is connected via a serial wire, or it can be Ethernet wire, that doesn't matter, but you need only two IP address, two IP between router 1 and router 2. You need just two IP address. And then you got another, let's say, 200 IP needed. Now, if these things are very clearly given, then you need to do subnetting for 4 times. 4 times. You cannot do subnetting based on this big number.
So can you repeat this again? Sorry.
Now you need to do 4 different subnetting. What most of the people do is they do subnetting based on this big number. So if you get 200 IP address per subnet, then easily you can give 30. What is the balance left? Out of 200, only 30 is used. How much is left?
170.
170 is wasted. Here, 100 is wasted. Here, it's much worse. 198 is wasted. You cannot use it anywhere else again. You know, so you should not do like this. This is fixed length subnet mask. Why I call this fixed length subnet mask? The subnet mask is same for 100 PC, 30 PC, 2 PC, 200 PC. It's the same. Which is wastage of IP address. Fixed length subnet mask, you waste IP address because you don't have the same number of IP requirement. You have different requirements. Sometimes you have 2, sometimes you have some places you have 30, some places you have 100. So you need to do variable length subnet mask. Variable length subnet mask. So I'm going to start from here. Let's say this is the network given 10.0.0.0. In that case, I need 2 IP address. I'll see 2 IP address needed. If 2 IP address needed, how many bits you need?
2 bits.
2 bits. So I'll say 10.0.0.0/30.
30.
Dot 1 is the first IP here. Dot 2 is the last IP here. And dot 3 will be the broadcast. Isn't it? Because the next network will be what? Next network will be 10.0.0.4. Am I right? The next
after the
network
broadcast.
Correct. If you increment by 4, the first subnet is 10.0.0.0, the second subnet is 10.0.0.4.
4.
Yeah. So if I'll have another router, let's say, that also needs 2 IP address, then I'll give here 10.0.0.4/30. You understood?
Yeah. Yes.
So that this point will be dot 5 and this will be dot 6. And dot 7 will be the broadcast and dot 8 will be the next network, isn't it? So up to dot 8 is over. You should not give to anyone else, isn't it? Up to 8 is over.
Yes.
Okay, now let's do subnetting based on this 30.
Excuse me, sir, but what happens if the R3 would have five PCs connected. You need one more extra.
5 PCs connected. Where it will be connected? It will be connected here, right?
Yes.
So in case if you have a switch here.
If you need 5 ICPs there instead of 4.
What? Where is 4?
The network is 10.0.0.4, right?
Correct.
So
Because
you're getting...
it is /30.
Oh, okay, yes. Okay, sir.
If it is /30, the usable address is only 2.
That's right.
Fine. So we have finished using up to .8.
Yes.
See, .6 is the last IP, and broadcast will be .7, and .8 is the next
New
network.
network.
Up to .7 we have finished using. Okay, now let's
Yes.
move on to this 30. This is the next smallest. Okay, if it is 30, then 10.0.0.1, 2, 3. We need 5 bits, isn't it? 5, if you
Yes.
have, it will be increment of 31, correct?
Yes.
In that, we will not use 10.0.0.0 because 10.0.0.0 includes this .1, .2, .4, which is already used.
Yes.
We will not be using this because we have consumed some of the IP address in the subnet. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So we'll take the next one. Next one is 10.0.0.32.
7.
No,
32. Okay.
32. So 32, the next will be 64. So your last will be 63, isn't it?
Yes.
No. Broadcast will be 63. Last will be 62.
Yes.
So you need 30 IP address. Listen, exactly 30 you get starting from 31. Sorry, starting from 33,
33.
ending with 62. You are including 30. You are starting from 33. You're starting from
Yes.
33. You get exactly 30 IP address here. No IP address wasted.
So how did you get that 32? 10.0.0.32?
What is this place
Is it
value?
128, 64, 32?
We increment by 32, no?
Right. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay.
And this is the first IP address. This is the
Okay.
last IP
Yeah.
address.
All
This is the
right.
broadcast IP address. This is the next subnet. All
Okay.
right.
Yeah. Got it.
So we have consumed now up to .63. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And what is the subnet mask for this? It is /27. 10.0.0.0/27.
Yes.
See, this is 24 plus 3, 27. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So starting from 33 up to 63 we have used, and the network is what? .32. Correct?
32.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let us move on to the next one. Next one is, the next biggest is 100 PC.
100.
For 100 PC we have already done this actually. 10.0.0.0. We cannot use this because some addresses are already consumed. 10.0.0.128. Isn't it? 100 PC, we have
Yes.
done this. Huh?
Yes.
128. So this will be 10.0.0.128/25. Correct?
Yes.
So next will be 1.0. So the broadcast will be 0.255. The last will be 0.254. You understand? You agree?
0.255. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have finished using up to 0.255. Here the first IP address is 0.129. The network is 128. You agree?
Yes.
All right. Now let's move on to the 200 IP.
Yeah.
So 200 IP means 10.0.0.0. We don't use because we have consumed up to 0.255. 200
Yeah.
means 10.0.1.0 because we need the entire 8 bits, correct, for 200?
Yes.
All right. So in this we have already used. So this is the subnet they are going to give here. 10.0.1.0/24.
Okay.
The first IP will
Okay.
be 10.0.1.1.
One.
The last will be
10.
10.0.1.254. The broadcast will be 10.0.1.255. And this is going to be /24. See, the subnet mask is 25 here, 27 here, 30 here, and 24 here. It is not same, no? The subnet mask is not same because the number of IP address is not same. We call this as
Yeah.
variable length subnet mask.
Okay.
Got it? So I would like to, I want you to copy this quickly.
So just one dot.
Mhm.
The 201,
Mhm.
the 1.0/24.
Mhm.
You're borrowing from the
No, no,
third
no, no,
octet
no, 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 no.
is because
No, no.
yeah.
You are keeping the fourth octet for the host, the complete fourth octet for the host,
Yes.
because you need
Okay.
200. The complete fourth octet is needed for the host. What do you say? Yes or no?
Yes, from 1 to 255.
Yeah. Because if you take only up to 64 bit, you will get only 127, but you have 200 computers, 200 IP.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you need the entire octet. You kept it for yourself, so you give the balance bits for the networking. No, here we are
Yes.
not borrowing here. We are just keeping what we need and we are lending it to the network.
Yes, sir.
You understood now?
Got it. Yes, sir.
Copy this quickly. I'm going to give you one exercise.
Yeah, I copied it.
All right. E-copying, right?
Yes, done, sir.
Cut and paste. You did cut and paste.
No, I just took a picture.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You did not write it down. Okay, no problem. I'm going to give you one. And this will be your homework, okay?
Okay.
So listen carefully. 172.16.00 is in this side. And in this side, you got 10.0.0.0. Now, I have a router in the middle. So anything in the right-hand side should be 10 subnet. Anything towards the left-hand side should be 172. Now here I got a router, and this is, I am writing point to point so that you will understand that I need only two IPs. Got it? And then I got another router here, point to point. And then you have 300 PCs. No, I don't want to be more crazy like this. 30 PC. And then I think 30 we have done. Let me. We got 15 computers, and we got here 20 PCs. All right. So likewise, in this side, you got a router with the PCs of 222, and you got PCs of 1111. Okay, this many IP address we need. I'll call this as router 1, 2, 3, 4.
So one side it is 172.16, the other one is 10.0,
Yeah.
and four
On
routers
router
and 20.
3, Ethernet 0 should be 172.16. On router 3, Ethernet 1 should be 10.
10. Okay.
All right. I think
So you need
I
you
want
need to
to change. I want to change my mind. Wait. I move this to this one. Okay. And
mm-hmm.
then here I would like to have 200.1.1.0 this side.
Okay.
Okay. Because 10 I have already done. I want you to do one
Yes.
in class C and one in class B.
Yes.
Class A I have finished already.
Okay.
Now, when you do this correctly, you are the king of
Mm-hmm.
submitting, I tell you. Yes.
Okay. I'll try.
All right. So I think